Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna show you guys how I did my own knotless box braids. It's actually my first time doing this type of hair. Doing a knotless box braid on my whole head, and I'm really happy with the result. If you want to know how I did this hair, please keep on watching this video, and please give this video a thumbs up, share, like, and comment. Thank you all so much for always coming back to watch my video. Starting off, I'm going to comb and moisturize my hair, and I'm going to be using the Dali Superstar extension. I actually did everything about the extension, the cutting and the stretching. I did all that off the camera because I don't want this video to be too long. Now I'm going to go ahead and start braiding the hair. Before that, I'm going to apply the Black Castle Miracle Gel. That way it will be easy for me to grip the roots and also make the hair look really nice and sleek. I'm going to start braiding with my own natural hair and continue adding extension as I proceed. That's what makes it different from normal braid. You start normal braid from the beginning with extension, but knotless braid, you start with your natural hair from the beginning. It's really easy to understand. If you watch carefully, you definitely understand what I'm doing. So I'm finally done braiding the hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it in hot water to secure the ends from unraveling. And that is all for this video, and please don't forget to share and like. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.